am ready for my big trip to the city!
Your bag is very shiny, Mom. I will miss you so much.
Goodbye! See you soon! The adventure starts now. This building is enormous.
I need to find the right gate.
My train leaves at 10 o'clock.
I have my ticket now.
The train is very loud. Watch the gap between the train and the floor. This seat looks very cozy. We are moving! I miss my family already. The scenery is beautiful. I must stay hydrated. Maybe I want a snack. Oh. This apple is very sweet. It is very dark in the tunnel. The light is so bright. The city is getting closer. We will arrive soon. We will arrive soon. I must be careful with my bag. It is very busy here. I need to find the exit. Ooh. This is fun! The city is so colorful. These buildings touch the clouds. People move so quickly here. That smells wonderful. The wind is quite strong today. Now I can cross the street. I need a short break. Nature is even in the city. I will send this to Nova. I will try the bus now. Here is my fare. That looks like an old library. Next stop, please. The museum is very grand. Mike would love this.
The colors are so bright.
This is very old art. Real. This is a perfect gift. Garvey?
Chrissy likes this color. Ma'am?
Thank you very much.
I should find my hotel.
I have a room for tonight. Good day. My room is on the 5th floor.
This looks very relaxing.
It feels good to sit down. The view is amazing. I need to charge my phone.
I will wash my face.
I am happy today. The sky is so pretty. I would like some pasta, please.
This pasta is very yummy.
The city glows at night. The music is lovely. The water is dancing. I sing. Everything is so bright here. I want a small cookie.
This is a great dessert.
The air is getting chilly. I will call my family now. I will call my family now. Hello. I miss you all.
Did you see a dinosaur, Mom? Woo! Mom?
Look what I found for you, Mike. I am ready for sleep now. I love you. Good night, city. Good night, family.